All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, where we are proud to present this 2017 Ford Focus. It is the SE model, the silver with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, got backup camera, only 28,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body, your front bumper. Looks pretty good. Your grill is cracked here, about 6 inches. Hood looks good. Fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Let's check out your tire thread. Just at 4/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's steel wheel. Your rear driver's rim. At 6/32, this one. There's a shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. It does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, on and all that good stuff. Got your backup camera, PAL. You got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for airbag light. And your mileage of 28,560. Keeping it moving, open up the trunk. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. It's pretty good. Rear bumper. Let's have a heavy scratch here. About an inch and a half. The rest of it looks pretty good. Your trunk space. Of course, you got your spare tire here. I did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. There's hood. Your deck lid looks good. See a little dent right here. PDR work, just real tiny. This quarter looks pretty good. This is some dirt. Here's your rear driver's rear passenger rim. Very nice LC curbing. And your tire thread here. It is. That's 6/32. This door looks pretty good. Here's just the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front passenger door looks good. Front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Your front fender looks good. Front passenger rim, alloy wheel looks good on the curbing. Your tire right here is a 5/32. Lights are working. Car is on. Folks, things are good. Once again, this is a 2017 Ford Focus SE model with 28,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.